Hello guys, this is Astropark and welcome to another episode of my weekly market review sponsored by Pionex. Again, like every week, I was not here last week, but I hope you managed it, guys, in the previous review. I'm here to talk to you about the crypto market, and I always give thanks to Pionex where I trade. I love trading there. They just published a new version of the application, which is amazing. I'm mostly a mobile trader most of the times, not a computer. And yes, guys, I suggest you to subscribe, especially with my invite, because you can claim up to 2,100 of rewards. You can get access to a specific scalping channel. Yeah, we are all waiting for the new bullish wave, so gotta get access to that and to my indicators if you like. So let's go to the chart. Okay, the 2 weeks ago I was telling you guys that market was not looking great. We had many bearish signals. Okay, I was telling you exactly here at 69k that I was bearish. Okay, I didn't have any bullish sentiment on BTC, and indeed in last 2 weeks we managed to arrive to the demand zone I drawed for you 2 weeks ago, even 3 weeks ago, and market is like behaving as I told you, and the RSI managed to get to the point that I told you. And yeah, we have now hidden bullish divergence to play with. Okay, even here between these two low and this higher low. Okay, so market is kind of stopping here at these levels. It may go again below 40k, 64k. But it's all fine in my opinion. If price manage to keep this as a demand zone, we are good to go higher. Okay, so this is the first news. I guess that most of you were waiting for this. Okay, in the meantime, I must say that Ethereum is managing really very well. So after the Ethereum ETH news, price is managing to stay above 3,000 and half. Price basically is refusing to go down compared to Bitcoin. Indeed, you can see this also very well in the Ethereum with Bitcoin chart. I was telling you that this level was going to be support, and indeed for 3 weeks, last 3 weeks it was support, and even printing some bullish pattern in my opinion. If we go on the 3-day, we can see like the price is working nicely. Maybe a little bit tired here. It can go down again to the support range, but it's showing what we wanted. Okay, price is anyway bouncing here, so we are good to continue. Most important, there is no hidden bullish divergence here that was printed. Okay, that's good news. So yeah, we can go on with the other charts. Okay, so we have been always talking about DOGE. Probably you are tired of me telling you about DOGE. What we can see here. Okay, basically what I see here is this level. Okay, we saw price always trying to go lower, but price refused to go lower. Okay, this last week of the last candle managed to almost touch the pink rectangle I handily draw it to you, and the levels I was telling you were touched, by the way. So this basically 11 and 12 cents. Okay, so a good close. Imagine price closing the week, yes, above 13 cents and a half, this would be like great, because it would be a bullish pin bar. Okay, that would be a great signal for Doge. Binance coin instead basically scammed everybody with this false breakout, but what can I tell you? Of course, this last week candle, we may say, okay, this is a retest of the pennant, or this is a price getting back inside the range, the consolidation range. Okay, what I would just say here is that probably it's better don't touch. Okay, unless you have like a very wide stop range, right? Like $1,000 stop. Okay, if you accept that, of course you can go for can imagine a new all-time high. Okay, and you can go for a 1.6 risk reward, but yeah, not great in my opinion. It's not a great risk reward. Maybe you may do something like this. Okay, believing this is a retest of the pennant. Okay, but of course risky. As you know, everything is risky in crypto. Yeah, as always I say, never a financial advice. Solana is really not doing great at all. Okay, especially if the weekly candle would close like this. Basically price did what I was suggesting here in a few weeks ago with my handy lines. So basically retest this supply zone and die. Okay, and basically this is what happened. Yeah, on the other side we may say, oh, there is a hidden bullish divergence, but between here is not anymore hidden bullish divergence, because price is printing a lower low. Okay, so the hidden bullish divergence is invalidated, and closing like this, I expect price to go towards $190. Okay, so probably this is what happens with the mess happened on Solana, with all the meme coins and all the celebrities creating pump and dumps. If you follow crypto Twitter, you know what I'm talking about. And yes, especially Solana this Ethereum is kinda dying. Okay, and I was telling you about probably watching this as a range trade. Most probably the destination was the range low. Okay, especially if we lose this demand. Okay, and yeah, that's what happens. Okay, Bitcoin market cap. Okay, we're always inside this wedge. Bitcoin is clearly not clear what we want to do, still ranging, and the market is not clear what we want to do. We saw a retest, okay, of Bitcoin, okay, of the demand. Ethereum is taking the chance for being the queen, or the king if you want. Okay, especially we know that in the 2nd of July it should be the Ethereum ETF to start trading. Okay, so from here till the next 10 days we can expect a lot from Ethereum. Okay, so I expect this to increase, okay, at least maybe reaching 20%. And yeah, going back to USDT market cap, 2 weeks ago I was telling you that this was bullish, not anymore bearish, and indeed you understand why all the shitcoins and altcoins started bleeding, and why Ethereum is the only one who is keeping up. The crypto total market cap. Okay, the sell-off. This is the sell-off everybody of us is experiencing. Okay, even me, of course. Besides, I'm hedged, but you know, you can't always hedge 100% of your holdings. So yeah, not a great chart. Okay. The others, maybe we should remove from here the USDT. Sorry, no, the USDT dominance is already removed because it's excluded top 10 dominance. So this is basically shitcoins, altcoins dominance. Yeah, they are not performing really well. Like touching the oversold zone, you know, it always has been a zone of bounce. Okay, so yeah, a bounce can be expected here, of course. Not saying we are going to continue sell off, but especially we need to see how this chart will close tomorrow night. Okay, so creating a pin bar, bullish pin bar, so recovery towards 10.5 would be great. Okay, otherwise, yeah, we don't have much to see. Again, hidden bullish divergence here is continuing. So from total market cap, but this is basically a Bitcoin chart. Okay, pulling this. Okay, Bitcoin without total market cap without BTC is basically retesting this demand, and we still have the hidden bullish divergence. Okay, but this is mainly Ethereum holding up here, because again, yeah, shitcoin altcoins without Bitcoin, Ethereum, they are pretty damn. But this is basically the same chart of DOGE or Solana. Maybe we should let's see what's. So yeah, the third. Sorry, it's Ethereum. I guess we should remove from this total 3. We should remove USDT market cap and USDC market cap maybe, and DAI market cap, to have like a better idea. Okay, so let's check this chart. Probably this is better. No, it's basically the same chart. Not really interesting. So yeah, let me check a little bit. Okay, so this is the 33% level. Yeah, this is a retest of the 50 level of NRSI. So yeah, this is the only bullish thing I see here, that price not making a new low, but still wicks. Okay, so again, a recovery above the 382 level would be extremely bullish. Okay, especially short term. Okay, you can see also the idea why 2 weeks ago I was telling you that I was bearish on Bitcoin, right? Because you can see here, let's remove the extension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 times price tried to dump here. Okay. On the other side, before we may have said, okay, the same happened here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, but 8 and 9 died. Okay. So we need to find a new reason to be bullish. So the reason to be bullish here is just this level, this 33% level, and if we check here from this point of view, not interesting, but let's instead watch at let's watch instead of just the last move. Okay, if we just watch the last move, basically price retraced to the Fibonacci level. Okay, so what's necessary here is really not going lower than this. No new low can be accepted. Okay, otherwise destination will clearly be this. Okay, will clearly be this. So just to say it may be bad in a bad way, but your preferred shitcoin can still dump another 20% from here. Okay, so not very nice to experience. This is the bullish opium I was hoping in last time, but yeah, really not great. Again, yeah, we are going checking the others. Okay, yeah, let's go to what the ones I was telling you guys. So basically uni is I was expecting some resistance here, indeed we had, but price is kind of behaving here, so very good shape. PEPE basically retested this demand. Okay, I was telling you this was possibly a demand. Besides, okay, yeah, 2 weeks ago I was telling you that I was not feeling good, was not feeling bullish, and the price retraced to the demand, and maybe it's kinda trying to recover back up. Okay, this can be considered true only if no new low is printed, of course. And watching fill we kinda died, so having usually, as I said, a stop on a recent low, basically we are out of the trade here. Comp lost completely the demand. Yeah, 50 even worse. Ton instead is kinda holding. Okay, my handy line acting as support, so if price manage to stay above 6.7, this can run. I see a lot of bullish talk still on ton. Okay, I believe this can do something like this. Okay, this is the price dancing on a 50 level over SI, and so yeah, looks good for ton at least. And I guess we were talking also about near, but yeah, all of them died basically on this recent wave down. Even link is kinda resisting. Okay, but yeah, not everything is in great shape. Okay, the general idea, just to recap, okay, the general idea is that Bitcoin must bounce here. Okay, the general idea is this. Okay, of course we can accept if we see the daily, this is kind of the range low, it was the range high. Okay, price can go here even at 61k, considering this like a deviation, okay, compared to the range low, because so we may expect even a retest of 61k, but really nothing more than that. Okay, so maybe a wick towards 61k, but other than that it can become really tough, especially if price trading below 58k. Okay, this is just a very bad sign. Okay, so that's all for me. Always appreciated your help, guys. So like this video, subscribe to the channel, invite your friends to watch my videos, my reviews. They're again always free. If you want to have an analysis of any chart, feel free to direct message me, and enjoy your trading. Cheers, guys. Have a nice week.